Mythological cinematic videos are absolutely exploding on social media right now. These epic character-driven stories are racking up millions of views and massive engagement across every platform. In this tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to create these legendary tales step by step from scratch. First, click the link in the description for the Mythos Automaton GPT. This opens up directly inside ChatGPT. Click on the Start Chat button to begin. Now you need to provide a hero or a deity. For this example, type in The Fall of Icarus, hit enter, and watch the GPT work. It is going to generate a full 6-part narrative progression for you. You will see a single continuous voiceover script at the top. Below that, the GPT provides 6 sequential narrative items. Each item has a specific beat name, like the call or the ascent. Look closely at the output, and you will see gray code blocks. Inside each code block is a ready-to-use image prompt. There is a copy button in the top right corner of every block. Click that copy button for the first scene. This copies the entire prompt to your clipboard. Now open Google Flow. You will see a large text field at the top of the interface. Paste your first prompt from the GPT. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu. Click it and select Imagen 4. This specific model is the best for handling these high-contrast cinematic fantasy styles. For maximum detail, change the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you are making a vertical short, or 16:9 for a standard video. Click the Generate button. While the AI is rendering that first image, go back to the text field and delete the old prompt. Paste the second prompt from your list. Click Generate again. Repeat this process for all 6 narrative beats. Once all your images are generated, click the download icon on each one to save them to your computer. Now we need to turn these static images into cinematic video clips. Go to Flex Clip. Click on the Image to Video tool in the sidebar. Upload your first image of the metallic Icarus. Now look for the model selector and choose Kling Standard 2.6. This model provides the most stable character movement for legendary scenes. In the motion prompt field, type a short description like slow cinematic zoom into the wings. Click the Generate button and wait for the render to finish. When it is done, upload your second image. Change the motion description to something like gentle camera pan across the clouds. Hit Generate again. Do this for every single one of your 6 images. Each one will become a high-quality video clip. Download all 6 clips to your desktop. One more thing before we move to the edit is the consistency. You can download the reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate an image in Google Flow, upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures your metallic protagonist looks exactly the same in every single scene. Now, if you want to skip all that manual work, there is a much faster way to scale this entire process. We put together everything you need inside our school community. Click the link in the description to join. Go to the classroom section and find the lesson for this specific mythological workflow. You will find the exact prompts ready for you to copy. Grab those prompts and paste them into our custom Airtable template. The link for the template is right there in the lesson. Click the link and duplicate that template into your own Airtable workspace. You will see a column labeled Idea. Type in your hero name like Hercules or Medusa. Now hit the big automation button at the top of the table. The system runs everything automatically in the background. It generates the narrative, creates the images, and organizes every single asset in one place. This saves you hours of switching between tabs and copying text. Now your video needs a legendary soundtracker. Go to Flex Clip. In the music search bar, type in Cinematic Dark Fantasy. Browse through the tracks and find something with a grave and awe-inspiring tone. Click the download button on the track you like. Now go to the Sound Effects tab in Flex Clip. Search for terms like fire whoosh, ocean waves, or metallic clanking. Download a few of these to add texture to your scenes. For the narration, go to 11 Labs. Take that voiceover script the GPT generated at the very beginning and paste it into the text box. Open the voice library and browse for a voice that sounds legendary and ancient. Look for a deep rhythmic tone. Click Generate and then download your high-quality audio file. Now it is time to assemble the final masterpiece. Open Flex Clip and start a new project. Import all 6 of your video clips, your music, your sound effects, and your voiceover file. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the correct chronological order. Place the voiceover track on the layer above the video. Align the clips so the visuals match the timing of the narration. Drop your music track onto the bottom layer. Lower the music volume to about 20% so it does not drown out the voice. Add your sound effects at the transition points between scenes. Trim any extra space at the end of the clips to make it punchy. Your video is now ready for the world.
In the depths of imprisonment, the metallic automaton Icarus receives his crafted wings and embraces the desperate promise of escape.
You could upload it manually, but there is a better way. If you are starting out, use Metricool to schedule your posts to multiple platforms at once. If you want the most professional setup, use Vista Social. Upload your video and write one caption. You can then schedule that single post to go out as a YouTube short, a TikTok, and an Instagram reel simultaneously. This allows you to schedule an entire month of mythological legends in just one afternoon. Then you can just sit back and watch the views roll in. Remember that everything you need, including the prompts and the Airtable template, is waiting for you in the school community. The link is in the description.